Coming to the product design, here are some sandals I found on Flipkart. They are monochrome. When applied the same color, can you see how the same color is acting different on different texture? This is glossy texture, this is rough texture, this is also rough texture. Here the value has differed, but I was confused because look here, the gray, light gray, dark gray, darker gray. Okay, I understand this is glossy surface, this is rough surface, and this is also rough surface. So I thought the value difference has taken on the color basis itself, that's why it's appearing different. But then I compared it in two different colors, one light color. Here also I saw difference. This appears to be dark, this light, and this lighter. The plane the surface is getting, or the textured the surface is getting, the color is getting darker. This is plain, this is more textured, this is most textured. The most texture is having darker color. Okay, but black is something where you can't differ the color. When I applied black, when I saw something in an example, when the black was applied, I got the true true value of color. Okay, same black has been applied on this texture, and this texture, but you can see the difference. Here is reflectiveness due to texture, here it is most dark or the darkest, it is a bit reflective, okay, or showing light due to texture, it's showing a bit value. But this is very saturated black, here it is saturated black. So can you see the difference in color due to texture? It is the same black applied over here, and over here, but the value of black is differing on all three textured surfaces. This is plain surface, this is rough surface, and this is also rough surface. Here is another picture. Here you are seeing the road, three different texture you are seeing and same color. Can you see the difference? Here there is highlight on the plain texture, here there is less highlight, and here there is more highlight again, and the texture difference is creating the color different. It's more like water. This road is appearing like texture of water, and this road is appearing like mosaic tiles, and this is like cemented tiles. So the same color, but due to texture difference, can you see the breakage of the color? This picture is not appearing plain. Even having the same color, this picture doesn't appear plain. This is the difference of texture. This picture is entirely dependent on texture. Even the birds and the walls are having same color, still you see difference over here than this because of the texture. Here is a line texture on the wall, you know, due to window or something, there is line texture, and the bird is not having line texture, it's having horizontal texture. Most of the words are having horizontal texture. So that's the thing, and the value is there at the background, matlab high value in the background, and low value in the foreground. Low value means addition of black. So this is a brilliant picture, totally and completely entirely dependent on texture. And you can see the texture of the sky or the background texture is again foggy. It is foggy, and if it is foggy, it is soft. Okay, it's somewhat like smoke is there, smoky texture, and the front texture is very rough and hard. This is happening all over your surrounding. Okay, this is a picture I found on Flat and Flatmates on Facebook. Someone posted their apartment picture and was looking for a flatmate. There I wanted to show you a real life pictures that people post. This is a glossy finish of flooring, glossy finish flooring, and here you can see how light is reflected, how things are being made to look bigger. Glossy surface acts like mirror, like there is window, okay, and which is reflected like a mirror. Okay, so is in a visual way it doubles the size, you know, it doubles the size of light, so it becomes more lively and the space looks bigger. I bet you this place is not as big, or the area of this room is not as big as it appears in this picture. It appears due to its glossiness, and you can see here also the glossy surface has been used here also. This is less glossy because this is kitchen, so less slippery tiles over here. This is dining area, this is actually drawing room area. The glossy tiles and we use doubled the height of the window, doubled the height of the window, and again reflection has doubled the height of the window. This is how increase the space, means small rooms are made to look big. This is how architects and builders work on the texture to give you a space, in minimum space maximum feeling.